So today we are playing a bit of Bee Swarm Simulator. Now I recently made a short about me saying I'm going to start a new series of Bee Swarm Simulator, and I am. It's going to be like a noob to pro. I'm going to see how much playtime, how much progress I can get when my playtime badge hits 10 days. Now I'm a main account. I've already done quite a bit of stuff. I'm a level 14 blue hive, and I just want to feel like when it feels like to be a noob again. Just gonna try and do a couple of quests, and then that'll be pretty decent. And I'm also gonna try and be consistently uploading every couple of days, because I don't know, I just like to upload quite a bit, but I feel like I need to upload more videos, and because I've only uploaded a couple. So yeah, I'll come back when the quest is done. Right, so that is mushroom field done. Now I've got to do clover. Got to get 1,000 pollen. Please help me. Thank you. Anyway, as I was saying, I've got to get 1,000 pollen from clover and now blue field. So I'll tell you when that's done. Right, clover field is now done. Now I've got to do blue flower. So as I was saying, I'm gonna try and start making this a series. Because I like playing Bee Swarm. Pretty fun, but it's one of the most grindiest games possible. Like, it's so grindy. And I was just hoping that I can actually make a series out of it on a new account. Just seeing how far I can get with a playtime of 10 days. So yeah. Right, now that quest is done. Now, it's already night time again. Right, so I'm gonna go over to back bear. I need at least 1,000 honey to get an. Wait, can I buy an egg? No, I need like 1,200. Impressive, yeah. Now, mate, it's bloody hard. Oh, silver egg, yippee! 4k from the bamboo here. That's like 2 trips, bro. Oh no, he didn't give me enough money. Oh, I have completed brown bear's quest now. Look, I don't know if I get a mythic egg. I'd be like so much aura. Oh, it's okay. Commander bee. May not take it. Let's give him 8 blueberries. See what level he gets to. Level 3. Lavage. 2 of them. Let's just try and level this guy up. There we go. No. Oh, wait. I've got enough honey now. And buy basic egg. Let's snipe this. Bam. Oh, just a basic bee. But it's okay. Alright, he's leveled up now. Now we can enter the 5B zone. Dobbies. Because I need to get the bamboo. Right, Panda Bay, fatty, you better pay me good. Else I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna get my bees to sting you. Bees, sting him. Oh, and a lot of this inspiration to do this new series comes from a lot of like big YouTubers. Like, personally my favourites are like Crazy Fox Plays, but he doesn't play anymore. Solar, he does quite a few. And like, I really like their channels and like to watch them. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and start a new series. Right, so that is my bag full. Almost done with the quest, but right, let's try and get Panda Bear's quest before I go. Kinda like, there we go. Right, Panda Bear, give me a quest. Defeat 1 ladybug. Like, broken no reaction. I'm also gonna go claim Brown Bear's quest. So hopefully he pays me good. Anyway, so today I'm gonna try and achieve like some good gear in the pro shop in the 10B area. Gotta wait 36 minutes, bro. Little Hackerland. Right. So yeah, as I was saying, I want to try and get the best stuff into the top shop. Oh, I sneezed. Right, as I was saying, I'm gonna try and get the gear in the top shop. Probably the Honey Dipper. I like the best bag. Ride B, no. Commander B. I'll take it. Alright, let's get back to the bamboo field and hopefully we can finish this quest. Alright, now in the bamboo field. I only need like 800 more pollen and then we'll be done. Oof, good bomb. And that should be the quest done. Oh, we'll just get this. And that is the quest done. Alright, let's go for the black bear. Hopefully it pays me good. Oh, and I might save up for the vacuum because it's only 14k. Hopefully black bear gives me a bit of money so I can get that. Or do I get another egg? I could get an egg. Now I'm saving up for vacuum. Hopefully you pay me good, punk. 2 grand. I mean, I'll take it. 5k red pollen. Who do you think I am? Mate, I can barely hold 3.5k. Thinking I'm gonna get really 5k red pollen. Must be mad. Alright, all done. Time to get the vacuum. Just acquired the vacuum. Alright, so now to mushroom field we go. Oh, sure. No, I'll go mushroom. Can't be asked to go strawberry. Look at this. Pollen amount is increasing. Oh, that's panda bear's quest done. Or cloud. And if windy bee was in here. Or strawberry. Lead up to one of my bees. Oh, that guy's starting out now, and he just got brave bee. The bees. Yeah, so by the end of the 10-day mark, I want to have maybe I don't know, 35 bees. When I get my first petal, I'm probably gonna get petal belt because it's better than petal 1. Some people might disagree, but in my opinion, I feel like it's better. I wanna maybe have the coconut boots or canister. I'll use this. Also might want to have 40 to 45 bees, 40 to 45 bees. So these are my goals. So petal belt, by the end of 10 days, I'm gonna have porcelain top shop and stuff. The porcelain gear up there. Probably also gonna have 40 to 45 bees, hopefully. I want a solid level 10, level 11 hive. What else? Oh yeah, I want both Crimson and Cobble Guards. So hopefully that will be possible. Right, finally done. Oof. Right, come on. 2.5k honey, man. You need to give me a bit more. But anyway, I'm gonna buy an egg. Right, acquired an egg. I'm currently at 5 bees, so this will be my 6th bee. Basic egg. You go basic bee, you can have 2 strawberries. I need to upgrade my bag soon. Panda bear and 6k from Spiderfield. Pretty easy, if you ask me. Oh, might get that royal jelly off of that bamboo. Then shoot over. Let me up. Yay. 250 honey, mate. That's like a speck of dust off your bloody fur. You gotta pay me a little bit better than that, mate. Like, bet you your nan probably pays better. Like, Spirit Bear. Bet she pays better than you. Yeah, you heard me. Pay me better! Yeah, look at me, punk. Right. Right, so as I was trying to say, there'll be like no macroing allowed on this account. I will not be helping myself with other accounts. Like, I'm not gonna be blue backpacker and like beg for like meteors or stuff. Just, yeah, no macroing, no helping myself with other accounts. Yeah, because eventually I'm gonna try and turn this into a fuzzy ult because I do not have one. But they're really good because I only have like 1-2 fuzzy bees in my hive, but I need like a fuzzy ult. So I'm just gonna try and turn this into one eventually. But yeah, hopefully by the end of the series it will become a fuzzy ult. So yeah, just about done with the quest now. I'm just gonna fill up my bag and then go talk to Monkey Bear. Cause you better pay me above 5 grand. Cause if you don't, Billy, Tilly, Millie, Bob Jr. will all sting him. Cause if they don't, they ain't getting fed ever again. I'm not feeding you guys unless he gives me 5 grand. Or like something like a gold egg or something. But I'm not that close yet. Red Sweeper. Right, 3.2 grand. Bees! Sting him! Right, you're all not getting fed for like 2 days. You can all get back. I don't know why I feed you guys. You're like waste of my resources. Literally gonna cause world hunger, you big backs. Gonna eat all the food. Right, so Black Bear is giving me like 3,000 pollen from sunflower, 3,000 pollen from dandelion, 3,000 pollen from mushroom, and 3,000 pollen from blue flower. Pretty easy if you ask me. Wait, if this is a treat, no. I'm gonna buy a single treat. Trust me here. Because I need one more treat for Mother Bear's quest. Then if I can just bash out of sniping. 2 grand? Nearly playing as good as Black Bear. Feed 15 treats to my bees and use 1 royal jelly. Do I have a royal jelly? I do. Right, where's that basic bees in the corner? Right there. Is that him? Yes, it is. Oh, Bumblebee. W's. W Bumblebee. Right, so I'm done with sunflower field. But my bag is like almost full. I might as well do a little bit on mushroom. Just fill up the rest of my bag. Bees, get in. Dang. And my bag's full. Yippee. Sorry guys, this is where the video has to end. Because it only allows me to record for 16 minutes and it's currently at 15:49. So goodbye, have a great day and God bless you. Bye.